I make smoothie every day now since I received the NutriBullet portable blender, and I've got the mango ice strawberries because it's so handy, it's so easy, and also the peach perfect. I'm gonna add some. The best if you put your peach perfect into your smoothie, so yummy. Peach perfect, as it says, perfect for the and then some yogurt, not yogurt, oat milk. Oh no, I think I put too much. Oh dear. Look at that. But I want it very, very smooth, so I'm gonna run it again. And that's it. I like it to be like that. Let me just get a glass. You can drink it straight from the NutriBullet, or you can transfer it to your glass. Look at the consistency with the peach perfect. It's so yummy. You need to make this. Take this with you to work, take this with you to wherever. If you fancy to make a smoothie or a shake, up to you. And this is also good if you pair this with a smoothie as well. So yummy. So good. Just click from the yellow basket.